I'm a firm believer, if your business grows, you should grow with it. And I do consider YouTube to be a business.
I love money, I love bags, I love cars, turbo stack. I want Louis double.
Right. Oh, I got makeup on me. So right now I'm at the head to Best Buy to get my camera. Oh, this hat's kind of tight. So this hat is from Bourgeois Boutique. It is sold out. This one, the vegan as F. But if you guys really want it, I can restock it. Okay. So I'm ready to go. I didn't feel like doing my hair. Okay. I want a hairpin go so I can come back and wait for my packages from Amazon. So today I'm going to be upgrading my equipment. There's no words to describe how excited I am. The camera that I'm using now to do all my tutorials, makeup, is my Canon XD. This is an older version of it, and actually this camera was given to me to start YouTube years ago, and I love it. I'm not going to ever give it away. I love this camera. And I have another point and shoot camera that I use for photography. I do for Bourgeois Boutique, and I have another camera for vlogs. The camera that I do use for vlogs is it was from Walmart. I paid 75 bucks for it. I just did it because I needed, you know, for experience. Now that I'm growing, it's time to upgrade, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna take you guys with me, and yeah, let's see which one I decide to pick. I have been doing a lot of research on this camera. Okay, I'm gonna wait till I get there. I don't want to talk about it now, but I've been doing a lot of research about this camera, and I feel like this one would be perfect for me. So yeah, so let's go. Guys, so I finally made it. Okay, my purse don't want to stay up here. So I finally made it here. I'm gonna brush my hair real quick. So my outfit is very simple. I just have a crop sweater. If you guys know me, you know that I love crop sweaters. Anything crop tops, crop anything. And I have some cute high-waisted leggings. So money. Okay, so let's go inside. I'm so excited. Let's see it. But okay, let's go inside. You got money. We should do it in the middle. Okay. So this is my outfit. Very simple. Just threw this on. It's kind of windy too. It looks like it's about to rain. I'll do a good video. I'm gonna do one more video before I get inside. Okay, so I need a vlogging camera, a good one. So I'm debating between the Mark III and the Mark II.
Well, these are like the best ones compared to all of them. These two are the best ones. For me, well, I know they're like different. Let me see. Pretty much the same.
Yeah. So much.
20.1, 20.1, 4.2.
But I know that one's the newer one. That's why it costs more.
Yeah, this one. This is HD camera, and this is a 4K camera.
Oh, that's to take more memory.
So, like, and especially when you get the chip, the little card, you're gonna, like, if you get the 4K one, you're gonna need like a 4K, what's it called? The micro SD card. The little chip that goes inside to hold your pictures and videos and stuff. Yeah, that way, cause like if you're gonna do vlogging and all that, transferring the file or the video from the camera or the memory card to the computer are gonna be a lot faster. So with the 4K one.
I've been hearing a lot of good reviews on this one though. I think I want this one.
Oh, they're all both good. They're really good. It's just this one, just
Yeah. Okay, can I get this one? You have a Gorilla tripod?
Tripod. I don't know if it's Gorilla. We have them right here.
So guys, I decided to get the Canon G7. This one right here. Ooh, can you see? Yeah, I think that would be a better fit for me. Even though this one's about $800, this one is $600.
This one's just faster, so it's just quicker. That's all it is. So you can see if you get an HD one, this is the memory capacity, and this is roughly how many photos and how many like hours you could do for like I think session.
How much is the 128 gigabytes? That one.
That one should be $39.99, but I could go try to go fetch you in the back. See if we have some.
Yeah, I want that one, 128 gigabytes.
Let me check.
Okay. I'm so excited. I got the camera that I wanted. He's taking off the sensors now. So the camera that I got was the Mark II, and I got 128 gigabytes with it and a Gorilla tripod. So right now I'm just sitting waiting. It's very important to me to record this process.
And do you have Best Buy rewards points?
I don't.
It's just the phone number we asked. So every time you purchase stuff, it's like you get points for it.
Okay.
Like Rouse or
Okay.
What's that? Not Rouse. Like 7-Eleven.
Yeah, all you need is my phone number. It's like, no, remember, it's not like a credit card or anything. Yeah.
No, it's not.
Okay. I got my camera, guys. I'm so excited. I'm a firm believer, if your business grows, you should grow with it. And I do consider YouTube to be a business. So I am about to head home, go play with this. Actually, no, I have to go to the mall real quick. But then after that, I'm gonna go home and play with this camera. I'm so excited, guys. So excited. I finally upgraded. Hey guys, so I just got back from Best Buy. I want to share with you the things that I got. The first thing that I got is a Gorilla Pod. Is it called? This is not the one that I wanted. I wanted the one that was about, I think it was like 80 bucks. I had to settle for this one because they didn't have any more, but it's the same one. It's the same brand, kind of the same one that I wanted, but the one that I wanted was longer. This one it still would get the job done. It's for your camera, phone, and all that. So if I want the bigger one, it's okay. This one was I believe this was, oh, this is $50. The other one I wanted was $80. And then I got a new SIM card. This one is 128 gigabytes. And this one was, I think it was like 40 bucks. I paid all the prices and everything there. Now, this is what I've been wanting. This is the Canon PowerShot G7 Mark II. Now, I was debating whether to get the Mark II or the Mark III, but I decided to get this one. I am so excited. I feel like this will fit me perfectly. I'm about to open it for the first time. This is the first vlogging camera, or expensive bar camera that I have. Notice how it looks when you open it. It comes with instructions. I do need to read it someday. I'm so excited. I've been doing so much research about this camera. I've been just deciding whether I should get this one or the Mark III. The Mark III is literally the same thing. The guy at the Best Buy was trying to explain to me it's like the same thing. But the Mark III, I would have to get something he was saying. I had to get something else. And he said it shoots in 420. This one shoots in HD. So it comes with a little case. That's it. It comes with the battery and the charger. Okay. Now, here's the camera. This is it. And the camera flips up. And that was very important to me that no. The camera flips up, and that was very important to me. That's very important. I want to be able to look at myself. The camera that I got, it was, like I said in the beginning, it was only $75 and I bought it from Walmart. This is when I first started. I didn't want to spend I don't want to spend a lot of money on it. So this is literally the first expensive vlogging camera that I have. It's so tiny, so it's just amazing. Let me see if there's any. Okay, and for my research, I was hearing that from the Mark III, that it was hard to find your face. Now the Mark II, this is the Mark II, it's supposed to be easier to. I'll have to charge it. It's not even turning on. Not even a little bit. Oh, duh, the battery's not in there. Okay, so this is how it looks though. I do want to take a picture on it, but I put the battery in. I need to charge the battery actually. So that is it for my review on my new camera. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. My channel is all about entrepreneur life, beauty, and vlogs.